I chose three major goals. Just number one is YouTube, and it's a YouTube short, so it's very volatile. कहिले चाहिँ झ्याम्मै भ्युज आउँछ, म्यासिभ पैसा छापिन्छ. I even earned 40,000 rupees in one single day, and there are some days जसमा it's not even 100 rupees. So you need at least one or two big hit, that means million or more than a million views per month to sustain from YouTube shorts. And then second option or second career I chose is trading. And right now I am feeling like it's also not very sustainable because it's a 50-50, and in most of the cases you are in loss because of your psychology and all. So you need to be properly disciplined, and you need to be very patient to get results, to get consistent payout from prop firms and overall from trading. So that's the second option. And third, my goal is to be fit and to get six-pack abs, a visible six-pack abs. So for that also you need to be very disciplined regarding sleep, food choices and exercises and everything. You need to be consistent, disciplined, and most importantly you need to have a lot of patience to get results. So it will probably take more than 6 months or more than a year to get results. So these are the three goals, or short-term or long-term goals right now I have right now, and all of these requires a huge amount of patience, discipline, dedication, and consistency. Yeah, that's the point. And if I lack in some of, like, in any of these things, then it's over. मेरो प्रिभियस इफोर्ट्स पनि सबै जान्छ. यदि मैले एक्सर्साइज गर्न छोडेँ भनेदेखि आई विल अगेन गेन वेट. यदि मैले केही नयाँ कुरा सिक्न छोडेँ भनेदेखि इन ट्रेडिङ मेरो पुरानो नलेजहरू पनि बिर्सिँदै जान्छ. एन्ड यदि म त्यसमा कन्सिस्टेन्ट भइनँ भने आई विल नट मेक मनी फ्रम ट्रेडिङ एज वेल. एन्ड युट्युबको त सेम हो. यदि मैले एक दिन पनि ब्रेक गरेँ भनेदेखि एन्ड युट्युब वन्ट पुश माई भिडियोज एनी मोर, देन भ्युज आउन छोड्छ. सो these are the three easiest but requires a lot of dedication, consistency tasks. Easiest task but requires a lot of effort. Easiest तर effort लाग्छ to show up every day, to work every day even when you don't feel like it. Yeah. So this is 2082 कार्तिकको 1 गते. From today I will be more disciplined, and I have, at least for the next 6 months I need to be more disciplined. Then maybe जब बैशाखको 1 गते आउँछ त्यतिन्जेलसम्म I will get my abs as well. This is the condition right now. Okay, this is the condition. I need to be more focused on diet, calories and all. अनि त्यसपछि युट्युबमा अहिले 18,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स छ इन कनेक्स्ट एन्ड 57,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स छ इन जिजी. त्यसलाई तिनीहरूलाई नि ग्रो गर्नुपर्छ. एटलिस्ट एउटामा चाहिँ 100K ओभर सब्सक्राइबर्स बनाउनु सक्नुपर्छ. एन्ड देन इन ट्रेडिङ आई निड टु बी consistent with profits, and as well as my psychology should be strong, and yeah, त्यही हो. consistently payout निकाल्न पर्यो from prop firms as well. So trading को त्यही हो goal for the next 6 months. So that's it. Peace out.